Welcome to YouTube channel for Mani with God's grace. We have the Oppo Find X300 Ultra and the Vivo X300 Ultra. So in today's video, we are gonna test the speakers of these two smartphones. I have already done a video comparison on these two devices. I will leave the link in the description. And now in today's video, we are gonna check the audio qualities. So starting off from the sound vibrations, we have the sound quality and effects. Starting off, we have a super audio. So first one is smart, and then we have a maestro and enhance the sound quality in video games but increase power consumption. So let me switch that board, and then we have an audio super resolution. I am turning on that option as well, and we have the sound customization. So we have a ear customization option. Let me skip it, and we have sound preferences, but it's completely upon while we use headphones and all. And then we have spatial audio, and we have an audio redact feature as well. And then we have the haptic feedback, so we can have the intensity low to high. So let me switch to high, and we have crisp and soft. So I love the crisp one. And now on the Oppo, so we have sound effect settings. So we have smart, immersive, fidelity, and custom. And in custom, we can set to any of the styles we love. And then we have the hollow audio option. So let me turn this option on and set to auto. And then we have the O haptics. It's similarly like this one. Oh, if you ask me about the the strength, obviously this one is a bit more higher on the Vivo X300 Ultra, but this feels more refined or at the peak epitome feel like on the Oppo Find X300. Then we have the clear voice mode available. So let me switch to the smart option. So and now let me play audio. And meanwhile, the winner among these two phones would be compared against the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start off from the Oppo Find X300 Ultra. I have put the mic over here for the best audio experience you need to hear.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky.
Let's check the dB. Oh. Wow, it's almost touched 130. Now it's time for the Vivo X300 Ultra.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm with you till the day I die.
Yeah, slightly better volume on the Oppo Find X300 Ultra. For the final conclusion, one more time on the Vivo X300 Ultra. Oppo Find X300 Ultra. Vivo X300 Ultra. Oppo. Vivo. I love the audio quality of the Oppo Find X9 Ultra rather than that of the Vivo X300. And if you ask me the marginal difference, it's very minor, but the bass tones were a bit more better on the Oppo Find X9 Ultra rather than the Vivo X300 Ultra. And in terms of the audio quality, I think like this, because of this extra modes or settings, sometimes the audio quality was bit nicer over here, but it's most of the time the Oppo was bit ahead of the Vivo X300. That's completely my personal pick. Anyways, that's very subjective. And now it's time to compare with the Samsung S26 Ultra. Let me show you the settings. Let me turn on the Dolby Atmos. I would set to music for the best output.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm with you till the day I die.
Oh.
Always down, ready to ride.
Wow. So in terms of the loudness, obviously the Oppo Find X3 Ultra takes the lead. But now let's look at the audio experience. Now let's play another audio for a fair comparison. Samsung. So at a glance itself, the thing I noticed was the sound quality. What which quality means the crispness, the precise and on the point, the exact audio, the what do you call the peakness, the epitome of the audio quality was bit better on this guy. Again, the bass tones was still better on the Oppo Find X3 Ultra. I don't know the reason why. We make thing to notice, we have already turned on the Dolby Atmos on this guy versus the basic sort of settings on the Oppo Find X3 Ultra. Anyways, we can confirm once again by playing the previous audio itself one more time. So starting off from the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Anyways,
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna go with you till the day I die.
okay, now the Oppo.
Red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna go with you till the day I die. Swing those hips around. Can't stop. Roll that down. My ladies, short haul, feel wide.
S26 Ultra once again.
Swing those hips around. Can't stop. Roll that down. My ladies, short haul.
Which was best? So you are not gonna get a simple answer. Yeah, take this. No, it's completely different. So first of all, the thing is regarding the bass tones and overall audio experience as a normal user, this is your pick to go. The Find X3 Ultra. The volume was definitely, we are tested with this sound meter, so the volume, the loudness was definitely higher on this guy. More than the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Vivo X300 Ultra. So that's the first point we get to the Oppo Find X3 Ultra. Then due to the modes, these two have rich in modes. I mean the Dolby Atmos mode versus the Super Audio and some other modes for the Vivo X300 Ultra. These two of them have a bit more precise and on the point, or we can say crisp or pointed output while we hear the tones, like it's piercing to the ear. That means pinpoint and precise, crisp, a bit more detailed audio is for these two of them. So I would say the best in terms of the detailing of the audio or the crispness of the audio is obviously the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the Vivo X300 is next, and then only the Oppo Find X3 Ultra. Definitely let me know what you think of the audio experience and which one you felt the most. So that's it for today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.